Emergency 24-hour plumbing repair in Calgary. What you need to know. Well, if you are looking for a plumber on a 24-hour basis, and in this case, generally meaning after 8 p.m. and before 6 a.m., most important thing here is mitigate whatever damage is being caused. If it's a sewer backup or if it's a water leak of some sort, being able to turn your water off is the most important thing. Secondly, get on the phone with a plumber as fast as possible. Hopefully by this point you have a relationship, one that you trust already. If not, jump on the Google. As fast as possible, you're hoping to be on the phone with somebody. Most people are going to get back to you either immediately, or either going to pick up the call you back immediately, or within 5 or 10 minutes if they have an effective on-call response plan. And then beyond that, you should be measuring their response time within minutes and not hours. Most people within the city are going to be able to get to your house within 45 to 90 minutes. And then during that time, hopefully you're able to take some photos, get some more information out to that plumber so that they understand what to expect when they come onto your site, increasing the likelihood they're going to be able to solve that problem on one trip.